Here I'm trying to make you understand about how to make a quiz in the Google Forms app. I'm going for Forms app. Now here it is Google Forms. Now this is the simplest method you all know. Then we'll create a blank form. Here, as I always do, I'll be writing Mahavir Public School. Then here in the description box I'm going to write quiz, then class. I'm selecting it here for class 3rd. Then this is I'm mentioning the subject and the chapter. This is all up to you, whatever you do. However, then as you all know, first of all we select the question short answer type for mentioning name, class and action section of the students. Section, this is done, which is required. Then I'm adding the second question that I'll be starting from the multiple choice questions. So my first question I'm writing here, how many, whatever, like obviously questions you give of your choices only. I'm just going to give 2 questions. Then here I'll be adding the options. First option, then see, as I'm doing it in my phone, so it takes a longer time because the screen again and again just moves on. Now this is my first question done. Then I'm going to add my second question. Again I'm choosing multiple choice. Then here it is, second question, how many oceans I'm asking. Oceans are there. Okay, so this is my second question. Now again I'm supposed to give choices. So I'm writing here 5, 6. So now this is done. I'm just giving these 2. We are supposed to opt the option for required so that students doesn't miss the question. They don't skip it. They're supposed to fill these answers, then only they can submit it. Okay, now as it is done, I'll go to this setting portion wherein I'm asking them to collect their email address. This is just optional. Limit it to 1 response, otherwise the students again and again keeps on responding. I'm going for the submit part so that my form is once created. This is just an Google ad. I'm closing it. Let it create my form. Okay, as it is created, I'll be just copying it first to make sure it is saved. Now let's just view it once. After viewing, I can do the editing part here, whatever is required. That is that. Now when I've clicked on the editing part, the pencil which was given on the right hand side corner, now the form will be open in this way. Now here these 3 dots are available on the right top. I will select these. Now settings, I'll go to the settings. Here I have 3 options: general, a presentation or a quiz. I'll be opting quizzes. Now we have to opt here in this way, make this a quiz. Now release grade immediately after each submission, which is the best. Now respondent can see missed questions, correct answers and point values. This is all things that we want so that parents are able to understand and view the scores, view the right wrong answers and everything. Now on the right hand corner, top side, it is mentioned save. Okay, now I have saved here. Now coming back to my form, I'll go to the first and second question. I will click on the first question anywhere. See, I've clicked it in this way. Now I can see on the left hand corner there's a blue tick given. Opt it. After opting it, now I have these options in front of me. I have to select one answer, 5 or 7. The correct answer here is 7, so I will click on 7. This is selected, and now here on the right top it is given points. I will click here and I will give the marks. Suppose I give 2 marks 2 points for this question. Now again on the right hand corner bottom it is mentioned done. I will select this done here. Now similarly I will go for my second question. I will just click anywhere. I am clicking here. Okay, after clicking again this blue tick appears. I will click on this blue tick. I will select the answer here. How many? This is my question. The screen is rotating. See, it's moving. So now I'll be selecting here the answer for my second question. Somehow some problem is there. I think this is my second question. This is, and the answer here is 5. Let me opt it. 5 and points I am giving here is 2 again. Now this is also done. So after this I will go up and I will preview my, see here it is given preview on the 3 dots. Now it is somehow it has been changed, maybe some technical issue that we can add it later. Okay, now I'll go back and now I can share it. When I see, now I will just copy the link which is mentioned here, copy, and this is done. And after